she come back again.
Hi sweets, welcome back to the channel today. Yes, we are here for another product review, y'all. As I have told you, there are some struggles as we are getting older, okay? And if you want to learn more about how my hair went from this to this, I guess you just gotta stay tuned. So my sweets, today we are going to talk about a little hair growth in one little bottle, okay? This little bottle has helped me, and I always tell you guys that things take time. If somebody is coming on here and they telling you, girl, I grew this in a week, girl, I grew this in over a month, no, okay? It takes time, okay? I'm gonna put dates and stuff. I'm gonna put pictures and stuff up so you can see my little journey. I didn't actually think the shit was gonna work, okay? But I just recently started wearing my hair out, and family was noticing, like, wait, what? Girl, you got your hair out. Girl, you ain't got no wig on. What? Yes, boo-boo, this is all me. This is my hair, okay? So I'm going to take you guys all the way back to like middle school. My girl, Venus, okay? Boo-boo, shout out to you. She is the one who got me into wearing wigs. As I got older, I got into more of the lace front wigs and synthetic wigs and stuff like that. You know, back in the day, it was the ponytails. It was the, you know, get the roller set. You got to put it in the microwave, spray it up so that is nice and cute on the head, okay? So back in the day, I didn't like wearing wigs, and it showed like my hairline, my edges and stuff. I didn't like that. And you know, as I was younger, I would literally take clippers and I would shave that part of my head off. I know, stupid as hell, but just stay with me, okay? I didn't like all of that coming like through my wigs, or, you know, when I got my hair braided, I just didn't like the look of that in my wigs. I kind of felt like it made my wigs, or, you know, my braided, you know, wigs, you know, look fake. So I would literally shave all my frontal area and my edges and stuff off so it all looked clean. As I got older, okay, I would say like late 30s, okay, is when it hit me to where it was like I kept doing that shit, okay, and that shit wasn't growing back. Wasn't growing back, okay? It was like when I was younger, I would hear Taraji P talking about, girl, I can't get my edges back, listening to all of them, and I was like, what the fuck are they talking about? Like, what? Girl, I shave my off and my edges come back. I hear you, okay? As I got older, my ass seen, okay? So you youngins that's watching me, okay? I'm 44, okay? So if you doing stupid shit like I was doing, okay, stop it, okay? As you get older, that is going to catch up to you, okay? And that's what happened to me. It's like when I hit, like I said, like the late 30s, like coming into my 40s, it was like my hair, I was wearing, you know, wigs. So it was like I wasn't really taking care of my hair, okay, to be honest. Again, I was still shaving, okay, and it was like it wasn't growing back. It really looked like I was sick, or I had alopecia. I mean, it looked really bad. Like I said, no offense to people who really have that. Trust me, I understand your situation. But for mine, I was literally doing it to myself, okay? And so, like I said, I'm going to be inserting pictures, and I'll be inserting dates as I'm talking so you can see from then until now. And as I always tell you guys, it takes time. Nothing is a quick fix. I don't give a damn what people come on here and tell you, okay? I'm giving you the real, okay? Ain't nobody paying me, okay? I'm just coming on here giving you the tea, giving you the things that have helped me, and maybe I can help somebody, okay? So I'm being 100. Like I said, it takes time. Right now, I'm gonna insert a picture of what my hair looked like when I first started using this, and then I'll insert another picture of what my hair literally looks like today, of what I did today, okay? I think it's August the 16th, 2022. If that's not the correct date, I'll put it somewhere on the screen, but I think that is the date. It took me a while to get to this growth, okay? My hair was thinning, okay? Like I said, my edges was gone. My edges wasn't coming back. It just looked a hot ass mess, okay? But for the first time last week, I was noticing all of my hair growth. I'm like, yes, my ponytail is full. I could wear a little bun on my head. I was like, ew. I was like, no, I don't need no piece up there, period. I was like, I could put my own hair up there. Ew. Wearing my hair out. I wore my hair out the first time. I had my aunts over here and they was like, girl, you got your hair out. I'm like, yes, boo-boo. That is all me, boo-boo. Thank you. Okay. I'm telling y'all, this shit really, really works. So let's hop to it. So the first thing, okay, that I'm using, okay, is this. This is this Wild Growth Hair Oil, okay? You can literally get this off of Amazon. Of course, I'm gonna link it down below. This, I just got my 3-pack today because I gave my last one to my aunt and I was out, honey, and I needs my oil. So you can get a 3-pack. I think I paid $27.99, and you can also buy them separate. It's either $8.99 or $9.99 for one. So it's better if you get the 3-pack, okay? This is good. Now, what I will also say is that I literally just bought this Wild Growth Light Oil Moisturizer. I'm going to be starting to use this as well. It's saying that it can help your hair get thicker, okay? Even though my hair is getting thicker and it's coming back to the way it was when I was in them 16s and 20s, okay? My hair is coming back. I want to try this just to see how it works out, and I'll come back with an updated video to tell you if this is worth the coin. But this right here is worth it. I've been using this. I'm going to insert a video right here, literally of today, of how I apply my oil in my hair, what I do to prepare my hair to put these wigs on to be slaying for y'all, okay? And then go about my day. Use this oil every single day, and I apply it to my scalp, rubbing it back and forth on my scalp. Then I'll massage it in with my fingernails, massage it in, and then I don't like go through the hair and do the strands. I put it on my scalp, okay? Because that's where I want the growth. I put it on my edges and rub it in and then massage it in really good. The thing I use is good old fashioned Blue Magic, okay? This is the old Blue Magic grease, okay? This shit, I don't care what nobody say. This is the hood shit, okay? But that hood shit be working. You feel me? Okay? I will literally take this, and because this shit is so greasy, okay, I don't be wanting my hair greasy every day. I literally would apply that on my scalp. It will literally keep my hair nice and moisturized. So again, people, I say this all to say that it's a process, and I'm using the multiple products, but this one little hair growth oil is the one where I have seen the most significant growth, okay? So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. As I'm always telling you guys, I'm here to give you the tea. I'm here to give you things that are helping me, okay? Again, I am 44 beautiful years of age, okay? I still look good, honey. What? Okay? And I'm still trying to look good in my 50s, in my 60s, and in my 70s, okay? I'm still trying to be out here having my grandkids say grandma instead of granny. You feel me? So I'm out here giving you guys the tea. If this video was helpful, give us a thumbs up. If you are new here and you have not subscribed, go ahead and think about subscribing at the link below. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. I'm here to give you product reviews. I'm here to give you wig slays, okay? If you're here for some different stuff, go ahead and subscribe. For my sweets, as always, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for always watching my videos and commenting below. I love talking to my sweets in the comments, so let's kiki in the comments. But until the next video, guys, peace. See ya.